Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I'm Jose. Shelly's upstairs watching TV, and I bought myself a little toy because I wanted one. And I don't really do unboxing, but I just got it in. Let me see. Here it goes. Lost in Space, 11 inches tall, if I can get it out of my mouth. The robot. Electronic B9 robot with lights and sounds. That's how it comes in the box. I'm going to put this in Try Me. The button is where his power pack is supposed to be at. That is cool. Apparently that's all he says when he's in the box. I'm going to open this box up gently because I want to keep the box. I don't want to really mess up the packaging yet. There he goes, he's out. Shirley's gonna look at this and goes, what the hell?
Danger, Will Robinson. Danger, Will Robinson.
He says more than this, but probably just what he says when he's in the packaging. That's where his power supply goes when he was in the show. And that's where he put the button at. Let me loosen up his arms. The theme song is on. Oh, that's cool. His arm kind of just pops out a little bit like that. And then you can turn him the direction you want. That's cool.
Danger, Will Robinson.
Oh, let's see where the battery goes. Goes there. Has AAA batteries in there. 3 AAAs. And I think I got to turn it from try, off, and play. Try, I think it's display. So I didn't really have to take the screw out. Let me put that back in before I lose it. Oh, it's cold.
The function of an environmental control robot is to supply all data pertinent to this particular field. Cannot compute. Programming data insufficient. I will accompany you. You may need protection. Due to worn conditions of memory bank, compliance impossible. My power supply is getting very weak. Emergency!
Nice.
I am a cybernetic servo mechanism and computer. Affirmative. Astronomical scanning data indicates that you are now observing Omega Nebula.
Oh, that's a lot of sound on
It
there.
would be against the prime directive of Robotex to expose human beings to danger of any kind. Warning! Launch time, T-minus 1 minute, and counting. I do not sleep. It is not one of my functions. Danger, Will Robinson. I must warn the others there is a dangerous alien among us.
Nice. Look at that. That's his helmet there. And that's his face, his eyes. That is awesome. Oh, it even has wheels. So that's what I got. The B9 robot, electronic B9 robot. Oh, it tells you everything it says right here. So you can read up on it. Wheels allow B9 to roll. Doesn't really move, but claws open and close. Ooh, nice. The claws open and close. Nice. What else is that? Let me read that real quick. It says his thing goes up and down when he talks, I guess.
I will accompany you. You may need protection.
Ooh.
Due to war conditions of memory bank, compliance impossible.
Nice. Nice little display. I'm gonna have it in my camper. Have it in my camper next to my Grogu. Say something, Grogu. You don't want to say nothing today? I don't know. Which one do you think? I like both of them, but this one's cool. What's up, Ruben? Oh, what does Robot got to say about that?
My power supply is getting very weak.
What do you guys say about that, Grogu? Ooh, using the Force.
Emergency! Emergency!
You done for today? Oh, there he is. He's still
I
alive.
am a cybernetic servo mechanism and computer. Affirmative. Astronomical scanning data indicates that you are now observing Omega Nebula.
Alright. So I got my robot. I always wanted one. It's from, I forget what company it comes from. It doesn't really say. I'll put it up on the screen here with all the information in case you want to get one. I think it was like $40 some. So that's not too bad, I think, for that particular toy. So, alright, I love it. I like it.
It would be against the prime directive of Holotex to expose human beings to danger of any kind.
Well, thank you, buddy. And that's all I have. So if you have any questions, comment down below. Alright, so without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
Warning! Warning! Launch time. T-minus 1 minute. And counting.
Have a good one.